Did you realize that spending just 10 minutes each day on gentle, mindful movement can ease stiff joints, sharpen your memory, improve balance, and even lift your mood after 50? This isn't hype, it's proven by science. As we grow older, our bodies stop asking for punishing workouts and instead crave exercises that nourish, restore, and energize us. That's where yoga steps in. Not the flashy social media kind filled with handstands and pretzel poses, but a softer, kinder version designed to help you rise from bed without aches, breathe more fully, and drift into deeper, more restful sleep. If you're new here, I'd love for you to join our community. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with a friend who might need it. And of course, leave a comment below. I always enjoy hearing from you. In today's video, I'll walk you through a simple, beginner-friendly yoga flow created especially for adults over 50. No fancy mats, no need for extreme flexibility, just your body, your breath, and 10 minutes of focused self-care. This routine is about building strength from the inside out and reminding your body that it's never too late to feel better. Before we begin, introduce yourself in the comments, share your name and where you're tuning in from. And after we finish, let me know which pose gave your body the biggest thank you today. All right, let's get started. Movement 1, abdominal breathing, 1 minute. Find a relaxed seated position. Place one palm on your belly. Inhale gently through your nose, feeling your stomach expand like a balloon. Repeat this cycle, letting each breath calm your nervous system. Now exhale slowly through your mouth and prepare your body the belly relax back in. Movement 2, neck rolls, 1 minute. Drop your chin lightly toward your chest. Begin rolling your head in a slow circle to the right, pausing at the back, and then to the left. Move gently, matching the rhythm of your breath. If you feel any tightness, slow down and soften the movement. This simple stretch helps release stiffness in the neck and shoulders, areas most of us hold stress. Movement 3, seated side stretch. 1 minute. Sit tall with a straight spine. Place your left hand on the floor beside you. As you inhale, lift your right arm overhead. Exhale and gently lean toward the left, creating space along your rib cage and waist. Hold for a breath or two, then switch sides. This lengthens the spine, improves posture, and supports better breathing capacity. Movement 4, cat-cow stretch, 2 minutes. Come onto hands and knees, aligning wrists under shoulders and knees under hips. Inhale as you lift your chest and gently arch your back, cow pose. Exhale as you round the spine and tuck your chin, cat pose. Flow slowly between the two, letting your breath guide your motion. This sequence lubricates the spine, eases back tension, and keeps your core strong and stable. Movement 5, child's pose, 1 minute. Bring your big toes together, spread your knees apart, and sit back onto your heels. Fold your torso forward, arms stretched out in front or resting alongside your body. Rest your forehead on the mat, a pillow, or even your hands. Breathe deeply here, allowing your body to soften. This pose relieves lower back pressure and provides a sense of calm and grounding. Movement 6, seated spinal twist, 2 minutes. Return to a seated position with legs extended. Bend your right knee and place it across the left leg. Right hand goes behind you for support, left hand on your knee. Inhale to sit taller. Exhale to gently twist to the right. Stay here for a few breaths before switching sides. Twists aid digestion, massage the internal organs, and keep your spine mobile. Movement 7, breathing meditation, 2 minutes. Find a comfortable seat or lie down flat. Close your eyes. Inhale slowly through your nose. Exhale gently through your mouth. With each breath, allow tension to dissolve from your face, shoulders, and belly. Notice how your body feels lighter and your mind quieter. Stay here, simply breathing, simply being. And just like that, you've given yourself 10 minutes of healing care. Remember, every breath and every gentle stretch is more than exercise. It's a message to your body saying, I'm here, I'm listening, and I want you to feel good. Over time, these practices don't just make your body more flexible. They improve circulation, calm the nervous system, and even boost memory and focus. If this session brought you peace or relief, make it part of your routine, whether daily or a few times a week. Consistency is more powerful than intensity. In the comments, share how your body feels right now. I'd love to hear your experience. Until next time, keep moving kindly, stay steady in your breath, and remember, your best years of health and energy can still be ahead of you.